Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to mute chat notifications permanently on WhatsApp. Whether you're tired of constant pings or just need some peace and quiet, this quick tutorial will help you take control of your notifications. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the chat you'd like to mute. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat, whatever you need. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Mute Notifications. A pop-up will appear, giving you 3 choices for how long you'd like to mute the chat: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. To ensure the chat stays muted indefinitely, select Always. Finally, tap OK to confirm your selection, and that's it. The chat is now muted permanently. You won't receive sound or vibration alerts for new messages from this chat anymore. But don't worry, you can still view and reply to messages whenever you want. This feature is especially useful for muting noisy group chats or contacts without blocking them or leaving the conversation. Plus, the other person or group members won't know that you've muted them. It's completely discreet. If at any point you decide to unmute the chat, simply repeat these steps and choose the option to unmute. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your WhatsApp experience even better.